Hello everyone, my name is Tom and today I will to introduce you how to use the Leica confocal in observation the 2D surface as well as to read the observation. And the first, as you can see here, we cannot with the middle and in here I'm use the middle confocal lens. So uh, as you can see, I cannot observe everything in my sample, so I have to you combine the Z stack as you can see in the screen and to scan. And the first one I have in the Z stack, we have to choose the two position. The first position is start, and as you can see here, I am defining the start position. It means the un unfocused unfocused position, and the next one I'm going to find out the the second unfocused position. Yes, okay, in here I'm finished this stack. I'm going to the two scan. First one I have to use the top left, and the second one in the bottom right. And okay, and when I finish, I click the start experiment, and now we have to choose the folder to save your file. We click the save, and here the scan process is scanning in your screen. It combines the two positions. The first position is scanning the stack. It will scan the height of your surface, and the second movement is to scan. Now we have to move it for the process. It takes long or short depend on your Z stack, the number of your Z stack. At here in my sample, I choose the sample of the number of Z stack is 11. Yeah, as you can see, the process is almost finished, and now we have to waiting for the analyze of the result. Yeah, here the process is finished. Now we have to go to the now we want to see the surface, the 3D surface, and so now we come to the click on the 3D surface. Yeah, here we can see the 3D surface. Now to analyze the result, we click to open the mountain aid. Yeah, we click the not suitable and find out the the folder and open it. Yeah, in here. XLCF. Now we are going to extract the area. We extract the area you want. Yeah, now we continue to layer topography image. Yeah, furthermore, we can go into the objects profile. And furthermore, we export the 3D surface observation. We can adjust the angle view. Furthermore, we click to the 3D topography. Yeah, and here is the measurement. And when it's finished, when we can export it to the PDF file. Or we have to save the file. Okay, thank you.